Good morning, students. In practical geometry, third construction is where two of its adjacent sides and three angles are given. Two adjacent sides, not two opposite sides. Okay? Then construct a quadrilateral MIST when MI is equal to 3.5 cm, IS is equal to 6.5 cm, angle M is equal to 75 degree, angle I is equal to 105 degree, and angle S is equal to 120 degree. So given is in quadrilateral MIST, MI is equal to 3.5 cm, IS is equal to 6.5 cm, and angle M is equal to 75 degree, angle I is equal to 105 degree, angle S is equal to 120 degree. So this is given. Required is to construct a quadrilateral MIST. It's a rough figure. Rough figure is MI and IS is given. So I will IS 6.5 cm. Then angle I is 105. This is 105 degree. Angle S is 120 degree. This is M and this is S. Then last will be T. Now MI, this is 3.5 cm, and then join this, so we get the quadrilateral like this. This is the rough figure. It is not correct actually. Now we shall do it. We shall do here. First we shall draw IS is equal to 6.5 is 30. Okay. This is IS 6.5 cm. Steps of constructions. First step is draw IS is equal to 6.5 cm. Now we have to use the protractor. See, at I we will draw angle 105. So at I draw an angle of 105 degree. 105. So 90 and 100 and 105 here. This is obtuse angle. So it will be more than 90. Otherwise you will say here, sir, इथे आहे 100 if you take this angle, then this will be acute angle. So this angle, it is called as draw ray IX such that angle SIX is 105 degree. So second step. Second step is at A draw ray IX. Draw ray symbolic such that angle SIX is equal to 105 degree. Or simply you can write angle I is equal to 105 degree. Then we can cut it on ray IX, cut off IM or MI is equal to 3.5 cm. Means takes 3.5 cm in compass. 3.5 centimeter in compass and with center I and triangle. This point will be M. This is 3.5 centimeter. What is the step? Arc length IX cut off IM is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Cut off. म्हणजे M हा पॉइंट मिळाला. देन नेक्स्ट इकडे आता आपल्याला पॉइंट काढायचा आहे T. Here angle M is equal to 75 सुद्धा आहे इथे. ओके. आता at S we will draw an angle of 120 degree. See, 120 degree. So it is up to angle again. So this angle is, so this is ray. We will say draw ray SY. What say? At yes. Draw ray SY such that angle ISY is 120 degree. Okay. Now one thing we are done, angle cut off 120 degree. Now at M, angle M is equal to 75. We will draw another ray. That ray will intersect to SY. And that point will be T. So, sir, I think like this 75, 70 and 5 is this. Otherwise, if you take here 75, it will be opposite. So, join that. So, draw this ray, say Z. So, at M, draw ray MZ such that angle IMZ is equal to 75 intersecting. This is intersecting. Intersecting ray SY at Z. And thus, not Z, at T. This point is T. Thus, MIST is required quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the required quadrilateral. Now, in this case, you will observe that this IS and this MP, these two sides will be parallel to each other. There is reason to parallel because these two are interior angles on the same side of this transversal. If these two are lines which intersected by these, then these two angles are on the same side and their sum is 180. They are supplementary. So interior angles are supplementary and that's why IS is parallel to MT. तो प्रश्न इतना ही है तो माहिती असावा. So thus MIST is required quadrilateral.